this phone is a big, big, big distraction. I want to throw it away, but I cannot.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video where we talk to CLAT aspirants and try to understand what problems they are facing in their preparation. So let's begin.
Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Islam. I am a grade 12 student and I'm from Carmel High School, Calcutta. I am an aspirant for CLAT examination 2021. So my first doubt is where to CLAT has a little huge syllabus. So when we have my CLAT is 5 months away, what do you suggest to go with? Like when we have so much syllabus and to cover so much things, so which portions do you think are going to be important, or studying that portion will be super grateful for us?
Right. So the first thing I would ask you to do is download the syllabus. That is the most basic thing you can do. Go to the official website, download the syllabus, go through the topics which are there. One is English language, the second is logical reasoning, then legal reasoning, current affairs, quant. There are 5 portions. Now you need to prioritize according to the number of questions which are being asked. So current affairs has the most weightage. It has around 25%. 35 to 38 questions are there. So go for that first. Cover at least 1 year of current affairs and don't go on a reading speed. You don't go back and start reading newspapers, but at least try to cover the most important topics. There are a lot of weird questions which come in the current affairs section, but try to cover the most important ones first. So go for that. Cover up quant since it is easy to score, and then go for read. If you're reading the Hindu or reading the editorial daily, you'll be able to cover the English language, your legal and the logical part. So start practicing reading comprehensions and those passages so that your comprehension skills are polished.
Okay, thank you. And the second question I have is regarding the quantitative part. See, whenever I have given any kind of mock, or I started solving the maths question, I have always felt that the questions, even the solutions, the which we have to solve the question is too big. The process is too big. We know we have tricks and stuff, but Hamisha, with the tricks and stuff, we don't get the answer. So I always get stuck there. I want a solution for that. Do I skip those questions, or practice more, rigorous practice is required? Where is that I'm lacking?
Right. So there are two things which are required for the quant part. One is your reading ability. Now this sounds weird, but for quant you need to have that reading ability because they come in passages now, right? And second is your accuracy and speed in solving these questions with proper rough work. Because while I was attempting the 2020 question, I realized that a lot of derivations, whatever solution calculations you come up, which are not required in first question, but are required in the third question. If your rough work is not in place, you will falter. You will try to solve the question again and you will waste a lot of time. So see, you are attempting 150 questions in 120 minutes. That is more than one question per minute. So you need speed over there along with accuracy. So you need to practice maths questions along with the comprehension thing, like graphs, pie charts. Your rough work should be on point. It should be very crystal clear with your practice, right? So for quant, this is the tip.
Yeah, and for the legal, I had a question. For the legal GK, actually, apart from the judgments and stuff, do we need to read anything else? Like, I had a question about when was some act or something of the IPC amended, or some that sort of dates, particular in date. I got a question in my worksheet sort of thing. So do we have to remember and memorize those also?
Okay, tell me something, Anisha. Why are you giving the CLAT exam?
Why am I giving? Okay, so I always had this thing in my mind that I want to go and earn from a corporate sector. Because I have never seen anybody from my family going there, because everyone from my family is either doing their own business or they're teachers. Okay, I wanted to do something different and I tried a lot of things, but nothing came into my way, or nothing suited me. Okay, but this thing, when I went and I researched about it and I asked some of the people whom I know, and I thought they gave me three or two criteria, that whether I am inquisitive and I want to know about certain things, and I try to keep up with the dynamic flow, like new things coming up. So this kind of attracted me. So that's like the main reason why I'm giving that to, because I
Okay.
want to see myself in the future at that, doing that job.
Okay. So in a nutshell, you are giving the CLAT examination to become a lawyer.
Yeah, kind of. That's like, yeah.
So I'll repeat my answer. To become a lawyer, you don't have to become a lawyer and then give this examination. So all these
Yeah, true.
IPCs and acts is not required. You should know surface level knowledge. What is the constitution? How many articles are there? What is the article talking about? What is fundamental rights? You don't have to become a lawyer. Like I've repeated this number of times on videos. You
Yeah,
don't have
seen
to
in
become a lawyer.
the YouTube videos.
Correct. So you
Yeah,
don't
and
have to
it
become a
is.
lawyer. Yeah, you should
Yeah,
have
we have to
basic
just
knowledge,
have
which
the
any
basic knowledge.
where like the citizen should be generally aware. That much knowledge you should have. And like you are from which stream? Arts, commerce, science. Which stream are you?
Humanities with maths. Yeah,
So
arts.
with basic quality knowledge, you have already have that. You don't have to study more than that. And the worksheets, those are coaching institutes. Their question don't matter. Like the consortium will be setting the papers.
Yeah, that's true. Also, one thing, see, I did not do my self study. I started studying self study from the month of November, okay, and I did a lot of things in the month of November. But then it I just pressed the halt button in the month of December. I did nothing. I was just sleeping and watching Netflix, maybe doing nothing. So whenever right now I sit to study, even in the month of January, I didn't do too much of my self study. I just kept up with some of the current affairs, not that much. Also, I didn't read the newspaper. So whenever I think that I haven't done or I haven't studied for so many days, I always, one thing that comes into my mind is that nothing is going to happen with me. I am not going to crack CLAT like anyway. I'm not going to get into good NLUs and stuff like that. So do you have something, something motivational or something good which can creep into my mind whenever I think this, that nahi ho
Okay.
paega, and I don't know. It's just, it comes into my mind whenever I think that I haven't studied for so many days or haven't kept up with current affairs.
So see, the best investment you can make for like as far as it is judge your personality and you can read it is you buy a notepad, right? Get a
Yeah,
diary, take a pen, and write down
yeah,
whatever is coming to your head. Journal, basically journal whatever is coming to your
journal.
head. After writing 100 lines, which I'm sure you will not be able to, you'll be able to sum up your entire things in 40 lines. Then you pick up what is the most, like, what is the thing which is bothering you a lot. When you journal,
Yeah, I know.
because what I can see is there are a lot of thoughts going on in your head and it's
Oh god, a
like
lot of.
pinpointing, right? So you don't suffer, you just write it down. There's a term called catharsis. So you take things out of from you. You talk to people. When you're talking to me, you are releasing that pent up thing, right? So you write it down. Whatever affects you, it can be personal, it can be anything. It can be related to studies, it can be related to competitive examinations. It's a very general thing which everyone should apply, not just students. Write down whatever is troubling you, and then read it
Yeah,
after a couple of days. You will realize yourself what mistakes you're making. Like when I asked you why are you giving this exam, your answer should have been to clear the CLAT and like go into the NLU. That is the most
but
pinpointed
I,
approach.
yeah,
Yeah, so it's completely okay. Like you should know your objective. It should be very clear. Suppose you want to go from, say, Park Street to Salt Lake. These are two places in Kolkata, right? From Park Street to Salt Lake, and you're going via Uber. So you'll have to write down in the app, right? You want to go to Sector 5, suppose this restaurant or right club or
location. Yeah,
wherever, right? So you should know pinpointed where you want to go. If your objective is clear, you'll be able to do it. But right now, with so many distractions, you'll be going haywire. You'll be taking the left turn and the right turn without knowing where to go. So have like by journaling, this will help you. So this is a motivational stuff. It requires you to just sit down and write, but it
yeah, I'll
requires
do that.
discipline. Yeah. So it will
I'll
help you
do
with the
that,
clarity of
surely.
thought. Yeah.
Yeah. So not much like this much I had for CLAT. I have one more question which is like out of CLAT, like after CLAT question. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's
Sure.
like, see, if I get that sort of rank, which helps me to get in the like the baby NLUs which have like started their things in 2014 or 2012, should I go for them or should I go to a good established private thing?
Right. So I would answer it point by point. How you
Hmm.
should approach this. Suppose, give me an example of a baby NLU.
I saw it last, Gujarat and Delhi wala, which would had the last ranking, which is developed in
Okay.
2014.
So I'm assuming
Yeah.
any college which I'm mentioning maybe any, but you can like refer it accordingly. Or you talk to students who are studying over there. You can approach them on Quora. You can approach them on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
You can approach them on Facebook. Just search that term, and I'm sure in LinkedIn you'll find like what Facebook was back in 2012-13 when it was booming on its peak. The same thing is with LinkedIn right now. Try to find students who are studying over there. Try to talk to them, message them, cold message them. Like, I'm thinking of going to this college. What is your opinion? What is your honest feedback and review? Okay. You after like messaging 20 people, only 2 will reply. Take the 10% wala rule. Only 10% people will reply back, and then you will see one person who's honestly helping you out. If you ask for help, you'll get it. If you just message 5 people and you think that koi reply nahi kar raha, don't go with that approach. Quora, take on LinkedIn, take on Facebook, approach like message 100 students, and you'll
Yeah,
get the answer. At least, and after talking to 3-4 people, it will be an unbiased decision which you will be making. That's one. And for established, talk to people in similar way who are studying over there, and try to analyze kiska placement is better.
Yeah.
In the end,
And
you're doing this
also
for a
no.
job, right?
Yeah. And also, what do you think about Christ University in Bangalore? This
I
is
am
like
not
a
sure.
weird question.
No, I'm not sure. I haven't studied in them, nor have I talked to someone who's studied law from there. So I will not be able to help you out over there. So see, I have
Okay.
clarity. I don't know, so I'm saying no. But then it is your duty to find it out. Talk to people
Yeah,
who
and
are already there. Don't talk to people who have not been there. I'm not been to Christ, so I'm not saying anything. There
yeah,
can
and
be
also
unbiased views which I'm floating around.
yeah, and also about the like except CLAT. If I sit for like I'm sitting for IELTS, I'm sitting for CLAT. I am thinking of sitting for Symbiosis and for this Christ University. Like, is Symbiosis all right? Like, Symbiosis obviously has its own kind of reputation and stuff. So, what do you think of Symbiosis?
I've heard good about it, but since I have not studied, I will not recommend. Because like, I'm not even saying
Okay.
yes, I'm not even saying no.
No,
The
yeah.
best approach is talk to students who've been there, who've passed out of there. Talk to 2 kind of students who are already studying over there because the quality might have decreased or improved over these
Yeah.
years, and talk to someone who's passed out. So they'll be the best people who can like help you and guide you. This is my honest feedback, and this is how you should take things. Like, talk to people who've already done it. You won't ask
Yeah.
a person who's working like how to become a crorepati, right? Someone who's just
No,
entered
obviously
his
not.
jobs. Yeah, yeah. So similarly
Yeah,
with this,
okay.
and take care of the
Yeah.
placements also, because in the end you have to take a job. So see for the
Yeah, that's
placement
like
also.
yeah, and also like apart from CLAT, we all can sit for those exams, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like all the entrance exams. Huh? Yeah, right. Yeah.
But don't
Thank
try to
you.
divert yourself here and there, because the pattern are totally different. So
Yeah, I
you
got
haven't
it.
studied the CLAT ka thing, and you haven't studied the other exams ka also. Be pinpointed and focused, and you know best ki kitna syllabus you've covered. Accordingly, take that
I
wise
don't
decision.
know. Honestly, I don't know kitna syllabus I have covered. I've been
Okay, so I have
trying
one
to
word for
study.
this: journal. Write it down. You'll know the answer.
God,
Seriously.
it is
You know.
difficult, to come up at the end. First of all, this phone is a big, big, big distraction. I want to throw it away, but I cannot. And also, I really don't know how much syllabus I have covered. It's so difficult to analyze the CLAT ka syllabus because
Simple.
it's
Wait.
never ending. It's never ending.
These are 3 pages of the syllabus, right? 3 pages.
Yeah.
Print it out right now after your class. Print it out after this meeting. Print it out. Just read. And if phone is a problem, keep it in some other room and study in your own room. That's the best way of and journal. You know
I
the
have thought
answers
about
yourself.
that. Journal.
You know the
I'll
answers
sit with
yourself.
it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
It will help
kind
you.
of.
And don't wait to buy a new diary, a fancy diary, something which is very
I
like
have.
glossy. Don't wait.
No.
Don't just take up a plain notepad and write it down.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that from today.
Even a
And
plain A4 will help. Even a plain A4 will help you.
a piece of paper will help. That's it. I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also, no, I don't have any other questions. Yeah, that's it. I will update you on my syllabus. Okay, how much I
For
have
sure.
done.
Yeah.
And about the newspaper, like making notes from the newspaper. Okay, so we read the newspaper every day in the morning, like whichever you put like important things and stuff like that. And from there making notes, no, some articles after पढ़ने के बाद लगता है इसमें क्या ही लिखे है इससे. We have read this, we know this. So Like what to write to keep it as note from that
Just
kind of
write down
articles.
keywords. Just write down keywords. You can sum up an entire article in 2 or 3 words only.
Yeah, right.
Right?
That
If I have to
summing up
show
thing is
you,
important.
my diary is this small. Like it is this small only, right? पूरा 1 day का article in that 1 page. It is because I've done that over so many years and I know कि क्या important नहीं है. For that to know what is important and not important, read syllabus and previous year question
Read.
paper. Syllabus and previous year
Yeah,
question paper.
syllabus.
You'll know. You will have a filter in front of you because otherwise you will feel everything is important.
Yeah,
Right?
that is exactly what I'm feeling right now. Everything is important. सब कुछ
Did you
करना
read the
है.
syllabus and
सब
previous
पढ़ो.
year question papers before?
No, I read some like 2 or 3 previous years question papers and syllabus I read once online, like in लोगों के
Just
official
once.
website पे. Yeah,
Just once.
once.
How long back?
How long back? One and a half months ago. I don't remember. When I started studying for the
printed?
first time. November. Yeah,
Okay,
more.
November
2 months.
is अभी लेके three months हो जाता है.
Yeah, हाँ. तभी
Print it out, print out the syllabus, and जैसे आपके पीछे में वो post-it notes लगा हुआ है ना, you stick it over there.
हाँ.
Seriously, before
Yeah, I do
sleeping
that.
and after waking up, read it daily. You will have a filter in front of
right.
your brain. You will have a filter in front of you,
Yeah.
and you'll know कि कैसे.
Thanks for this idea. I needed this. Okay, I'll do it today only. And whenever
Do it
we
right
come
after
into, yeah, I'll
Do
do
it
it
after
after
this
7:30.
Don't wait.
Yes. Yeah, after this, whenever we come on a Zoom meeting, we're going to see the class syllabus. Yeah, whatever my sister has done with her crayons, that will be covered with class syllabus.
Sure, for sure.
Okay, that's it. I have no more
Alright.
questions. If I come up with questions, I'm going to DM you on Instagram. Reply me first.
For sure, no problem, Anisha. All the best
Thank-
and do well. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.